Welcome back. In this session, I'll start with a quick introduction to Synapse, and then in the following session we'll build on that introduction. Microsoft's definition of Azure Synapse Analytics is that it is a limitless analytics service that brings together data integration, enterprise data warehousing, and big data analytics. There are two key points here. Firstly, it provides a limitless analytics service. With Synapse Analytics, you can scale your compute as well as storage depending on your data and processing needs. It handles solutions which are able to process few terabytes of data to many petabytes of data at ease. It provides both serverless and dedicated compute options so you can choose the one that suits your needs. Secondly, it provides a unified analytics service by bringing data integration, enterprise data warehousing, and big data analytics together into one service. Basically, Synapse provides the required services to perform data integration, data warehousing, and big data analytics for your project. These are the two main features of Azure Synapse Analytics. This is a brief overview of the service, and it might not make a lot of sense to you at the moment. To better understand this, I'm going to take you through the problem that Synapse is trying to solve and then explain how different components of Synapse can help solve the problem. In order to do that, we'll start with an introduction to data warehouses and then look at the emergence of data lakes. We'll also discuss the problems that data lakes were trying to solve and why we still needed the data warehouses alongside the data lakes. Then we look at the modern data warehouse architecture that brings together the data warehouses and data lakes. We'll then look at how projects were trying to implement modern data warehouses without Synapse and the issues with them. Finally, we'll see how Azure Synapse Analytics solves some of those challenges and the various components of Synapse Analytics. In the next lesson, we'll talk about the first 2 points. Once we have a better understanding of data warehouses and data lakes, in the following lesson we look at the other 3 points that deals with the emergence of Azure Synapse Analytics. Hopefully by the end of these 2 sessions you will have a good understanding about Azure Synapse Analytics and will be ready to start creating the service. So let's get started.